we are on Alabama. I know I kind of skipped over Alabama previously and did Alaska, but now I am making up for that and doing Alabama. I bit the bullet and got some Southern Comfort, which is disgusting if you've never had it. It's so gross, but it's fine because Alabama. I learned a lot about Alabama in the process of preparing for this video. For example, Prohibition had a major impact on Alabama, and also Alabama introduced the Western world to Mardi Gras, not Louisiana as we are all sort of assume, you know, because of Louisiana's Mardi Gras celebration. It was actually Alabama, so super interesting. So the first drink I'm making is called an Alabama Slammer. And the reason it's called a slammer is because it's a shot serving, right? So you take a shot and you slam it. You basically just drink it very quickly. And this drink was mentioned by Tom Cruise in Cocktail, in the movie Cocktail. And the drink was actually originally called Cuffs and Buttons and was actually created by a New Orleans bartender in 1874, excuse me. Which is kind of funny, right? Mardi Gras, Louisiana, and this is invented by a New Orleans bartender, and but it's Alabama. Anyway, I don't know where I'm going with that, but because it's been a long day, lots of videos, lots of drinking. We're fine. Also, might be going to New Orleans in October. Woohoo! Okay. Anyway, let's make this shiz. So what we need is 1 ounce of my least favorite thing that I've ever had in my life, Southern Comfort. Maybe not, but I mean, I tried it because I was gonna do the Alabama video and my fiance was like, you need to try Southern Comfort before you make this video. So I try it and I'm like, oh dear God, why is this like a thing? But no offense if anyone likes Southern Comfort. You are a stronger person than I, apparently. I tried it and I was like, what the heck is this stuff? Okay. Then 1 ounce of Amaretto, which apparently I cannot open. Oh dear. It's a weird square thing and I don't seem to have the strength to open it. So let's see if my producer can open it. We'll be right back. Okay, my producer suggested putting this under hot water, so I did, and voila, it's open. Miracles. I don't know what's happening. Anyway, okay, 1 ounce of this.
What?
I didn't say anything.
You said, oh no.
No, I gotta open.
Oh.
I said voila. I ran under hot water and it worked. Alright. Okay. And then 1 ounce of Sloe Gin. Which, oh, I have right here. So that's cool. Alright, so 1 ounce of this. I'm not looking forward to this. Although I do love Sloe Gin. Sloe Gin is delicious. I'm just not looking forward to this, you know, monstrosity that is involves Southern Comfort, but you know, I could be wrong, it could be really good. So we already have half an orange, so I'm gonna, because now we need 3 ounces of orange juice. So I'm gonna see how much juice I can get out of this, because last time I get a fair amount of juice out of the half an orange, but we have another orange standing by should the need arise. I gotta say, these oranges are so pretty. I think they're actually like blood oranges, not regular oranges. So yeah, they're so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 ounce, 3 ounces, sorry, of orange juice. Let's see how much I get from here. I got about 1.25. So, all right, so we're gonna have to cut another orange, which is fine. That's why I brought out another orange. Okay. This juice seems more diluted than that one. Like, it's not as pretty colored, but kind of interesting. But let's see. All right, so we have 2 ounces, and if things are smiling, we have 3 ounces. Okay. So what you do is you actually shake this stuff by itself, right? And then, so we're gonna shake this first. We're gonna shake it. Man, my ice is not doing so well, guys. I need to get more ice, but that's okay. All right, I don't know why, because this thing is supposed to like keep the ice, whatever. I guess it doesn't do it forever. Okay, so we're gonna shake this. What you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put it in a shot glass. So I have a shot glass right here. I'm supposed to pour some in a shot glass. Okay? And then you're supposed to top it with grenadine. Just a splash of grenadine on top. Okay? Ooh, pretty. Okay. And then you get this really cool kind of sunset-y effect, right? Because the grenadine sinks because it's mostly sugar, and the alcohol will be on top. In this case, you know, that's Southern Comfort and Sloe Gin Amaretto. So you got a lot of alcohols in there. They're all floating to the top. You got the grenadine on the bottom, but it is very pretty. And here we go. I'm gonna drink it fast because I'm supposed to do that. It's not bad. It tastes a little like cough syrup, actually, or like, yeah, like cough syrup, which wasn't what I was expecting, honestly. I thought it was gonna be much worse because of the Southern Comfort. It's actually not bad. So go you, Alabama. This isn't bad. It is a bit cough syrupy, presumably from the grenadine. It's not terrible though. I could see slamming these down very easily. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so our next drink, oh, and I keep forgetting to mention, because I'm special like that, we are now putting little surprises in each episode. I'm not talking about things on the microwave. I'm talking about like other things. And if you notice this surprise, please tell us the timestamp in which you noticed it, and we will mention you in a future episode, and your comment will be moved to the top. Okay. Now, Alabama has a second state drink. And this one is called the legendary Sex Panther. And it's named after the cologne and Anchorman, which may or may not contain real panther bits and works all the time. What is it, 60% of the time, right? Okay. And normally, I guess, when you do have this drink in Alabama at this specific bar where it was created, they give you a Sex Panther, or a panther tattoo, right? I don't think a Sex Panther tattoo actually exists, but they give you a panther tattoo. I was very tempted to get a panther tattoo for this episode. Not a real one, obviously, but I did not because I'd have a panther tattoo. Anyway, so this is the Sex Panther, and we actually don't need the shaker for this. This one is built in the glass, so that is nice. And it's got an odd mix of ingredients, but it's kind of what you would expect from a Sex Panther. Sex Panther, right? I don't know. Anyway, it has 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Okay, Old Grand-Dad Bourbon. Sorry, just making sure I had to separate. It has Old Grand-Dad, I can speak English, Old Grand-Dad Bourbon, Cynar Amaro. I have a different kind of Amaro. I have this. I have Amaro Habano, which, you know, big difference. They're all Amaro. I had coffee liqueur. I have Kahlua, and hopefully enough Kahlua. And Demerara I do not have, but I will make. And 1 dash of Angostura. So I'm going to make the Demerara in front of you guys because that way you can learn how to make Demerara. This is like so easy, you guys. Okay, but basically it's hot water and brown sugar, right? Demerara sugar. So I just need to get some Demerara sugar, which I have. So what we do is we add equal amounts of water and Demerara. Okay. So see, we got our Demerara, right? I'm gonna add about the same amount as we did water, which should be around there. Okay. Alright, and we got our Demerara. We got our Demerara sugar. Now the reason this drink is not shaken like the last one is because it doesn't have a citrus in it, right? There's no real reason to shake it, basically. You only really shake if you have a citrus element, or you want to do egg whites, or you have cream or something like that. Generally though, if you're just doing this, like just liquor, basically, you know, bitters and whatever, you don't need to shake. I would say this is sort of like a sour, basically, this drink. It's essentially like a sour. Okay, bourbon. So we got our Old Grand-Dad Bourbon. And first we gotta open it, which always fun for me. Okay, this is not so bad. Alright, got it. Okay, so we got our bourbon. Never had Old Grand-Dad, so. Okay. Alright, so we got our bourbon. We need 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Okay. We got our bourbon. We need our Amaro now. Amaro. It calls for Cynar Amaro, but you can pretty much use any Amaro you want. And so I am using Luxardo Amaretto Habano. Okay, there we go. And we only need half an ounce of that. So we're gonna put half an ounce in. Oh, it's pretty. We need 0.25 ounces of coffee liqueur, and I'm hoping there's enough left in here for that, so we'll find out. Smells so good. Okay, so 0.25 ounces of that. Oh yeah, there's more. Okay. We need 1/4 ounce of Demerara, which I made, so we're gonna. Oh, and then I spilled. What else is new? Okay, so we're gonna put that in. And then we need 1 dash of Angostura. So Angostura, I don't know how you say that. Anyway, Angostura. So we're gonna put that in now. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh god, that was way more than a dash. I don't even know what that was, but it's okay. And then we're gonna put some ice in here. God. Put some ice in here. I didn't spill anything else. I just knocked stuff over. Okay. we're supposed to stir it with the ice. So we're gonna stir it with the ice. And we can strain it over a new glass if we want to. So let's do that. I'm gonna strain it. That's what it looks like right now. Let me move that out of the way. I'm gonna strain it into a new glass. Okay, so hopefully I'll stay within the confines of. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay, so we strained it into a new glass, and this is our final thing. Oh, it smells like pure liquor. It essentially is. It's bourbon, Amaro, coffee liqueur, Demerara, Angostura, right? And I put too much Angostura in, but that's whatever. Let's see. I mean, the Alabama Slimer was a lot better than I thought it was going to be, so maybe this will be better than it smells. We'll see. I mean, it's not bad. I'm not a bourbon drinker, so for me, it's just, you know, unpleasantness. But I will say the flavor isn't bad. The flavor is actually kind of nice. I think all the things that are in it do meld very nicely together. So if you're not a fan of bourbon, this might be a good drink to try, actually, to get you comfortable with bourbon, introduced to bourbon. Would I choose to drink this?
Don't drink more.
No. Would I choose to drink this? No. 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 But that being said, I think it's not a bad bourbon-based cocktail. Anyway, this is the legendary Sex Panther, which again usually comes with a panther tattoo. I don't have one, I'm sorry. But this has been the drinks of Alabama, and so cheers.